Hi guys, this is Smita Gupta. I'm an astrologer by profession. Today I'm here to share my experience with how I'm dealing with pandemic crisis, how I'm dealing with my own fears during these difficult times. Thank you Ek Misal for giving me the opportunity to share my experience with others. I hope it helped someone some way to bring positivity in their lives. The first thing I would like to talk about is awareness. I believe by this time we all are aware what all we should do and what all we should not do to stop the spread of this virus. Take the vaccination as soon as possible, follow the guidelines, do not step out of your house unnecessarily, maintain social distancing, that's all we can do. Second, I would like to talk about is collective conscience. When I say collective conscience, together we can win this war. If we are together, we can win any war. So guys, we need to stick together, we need to help together, we need to help each other and do not give up. Do you remember in 2020 when we were hit by the first wave of coronavirus? We were less fearful and more confident that we will not let this happen in India. We were looking at New York, we were looking at New York's situation, we were learning from their mistakes, and we were more confident that we would not let this happen in India. And we were successful. The whole world was proud of us. But when 2021 came and the second wave of coronavirus hit us, it did not give us a chance to settle down. It did not give us a chance to think. And we all have seen the damage. We all have seen the damage. The world, a whole world has seen the damage. But guys, we need to understand one thing. This is not going to stay forever. This has to end one day. So we cannot give up in between. We cannot give up. We have to fight back with the situation. So please stay strong, stay positive. This is going to end one day. I know many of you have faced the situation when your relatives in the hospital, you're not allowed to meet them. You do not have anything to do actually. You do not have much in control. But during these difficult times, we can keep our mind and body healthy. So meditation does wonders in keeping your mind and body healthy. It is very, very important to keep your mind calm. We all are helpless to some extent. I am sitting so far from my parents, from my brother, and when sometimes fears take control of my mind, I talk to myself, and the first thing I do is I inhale strength, exhale fears. Inhale strength, exhale fears. That's all I can do sitting here so far from them. So please keep your mind and body healthy. Do some meditation to keep calm yourself. We cannot give up in between. We have to fight with the situation and we will overcome it together. After every dusk there comes dawn. So we have to wait for the good time. We have to wait for this to end. This reminds me of very beautiful lines of a Hindi song from the movie Door. राह में कांटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है. शाम छुपा ले सूरज अगर रात को फिर भी ढलना ही है. रुतिये टल जाएगी, हिम्मत रंग लाएगी, सुबह फिर आएगी. Sending you lots of love and positivity. Signing off. Smita.